So late on Sunday, I purchased this Hot Wheels speedometer, which is from a track builder set. I only paid $3.74. On that day, I was actually looking these up because I wanted to do videos and see how fast these cars go. I don't think they go in miles per hour. I think I heard that this measures in feet per second, and it takes 3 AAA batteries, and it lights up. And there's a button right here, and yeah, I guess I'll start running cars down here. I probably won't do my whole collection because that would take a while. I might do like series or or week, stuff I buy on a weekly basis. Yeah, because it'll probably take me a long time to do that. I have over 1,000 Hot Wheels now. This was originally $14.99. I didn't really feel like that was worth the price because it doesn't really do a whole lot. But we're gonna do my first track test video, or a speed check. I might be calling it that, with the Porsche series, which was released in 2015. I think maybe towards April or July, somewhere around there. Yeah, so I got the whole set. There were 8, and they were exclusive to Walmart. So here's the track. I think that's like a foot or so long, and hopefully I will be using the same track over again. Otherwise, it might skew the numbers if I try doing it again. And here's the launcher I have. These all use rubber bands, so I'll be doing 3 run-throughs, and then I'll average them out. I could have used these launchers, but they're not really as good because this one I could accidentally misnotch. It has 3 notches on there, and I think each notch will send it a lot farther. And this one, it's hard to set. A lot of times it's not as good. Okay, so hopefully I'll start off right now. We'll start off with this one, the white Porsche here. I think it's called the Porsche 914-6. It might have the name on the base. Okay, it doesn't, but oh yeah, 9146. Okay, so we'll run it in the track. Get this out of the way. Yeah, throw that there. Okay, and get my calculator ready. So the first track time. And it has these little infrared beams. I may do this outside, but if I do it outside, I can't really do it in direct sunlight because the sun will interact with the beam, and it may skew the numbers. I know with RC cars, infrared stuff does not work properly that way. Okay, so we'll launch this one. Oh, got them in backwards. Okay. 453. What you do is you take all the numbers, add them up, and divide them by the number of tests. Okay, 452. And last one, 451. And the average speed is 452 for this one. Okay, let's see. And the top speed is 453 for this one. So average 452. Next one is the Porsche 918 Spider. I think that's what it's called. I had to look these up online to make sure what they were. Okay, and we'll send it down. 389. Okay. It doesn't have to be reset. It resets itself, as you probably saw in the last few segments. Next one, 388. And the last one, 427. So the average is 401, and the top speed was 427, I think. Okay, well, we'll send it down again to see, because it went real high on the last one. Let's see. Oh yeah, it seems to be doing that. So that might prove to be the fastest car. The next one I have is the Porsche 959 in red. This one right here. We'll send it down. And 424. Put that in the calculator. Make sure it's still 423. This one seems to be consistent so far. And 382. So 424 was the fastest for this one. And okay, so we'll see what the average is. Divided by 3 equals 409 is the average speed for this one. So 409 average, or 410 if you round it up. Okay, next one is, I think this is the Porsche 99. Ooh, did I read it wrong? Porsche. Let's see. Maybe I'll reread them again. Porsche 993. So I have a list, and the list isn't really in position, right? 993 GT2. I think this one's called 370. Okay. 419. And last one, 398. At the top speed of being 419, and we'll calculate that. Average speed is 395. Oops, can't write. No. So average speed of this one's 395. I think sometimes the spoiler may get away with the launcher. So I might have to pause this because my pen just ran out. Okay, so we're back. I found a fresh pen that writes. Next one I think is the 917K Porsche. This yellow racer looking car. We'll see how fast he can go. Nope. Well, he didn't measure the speed, but he flew right off the track. Yeah, I think this one might have a problem. Yeah. Probably can't even get him through here. 397. We'll calculate that one, I guess. Yeah, this one doesn't seem to be track worthy. 396 plus, okay, this last one, 526. Let's do that again because it seems to be going too fast for that shot. Yeah, it's because it's flipping off the track and it might be speeding up somehow. I don't know how to explain that really. So we'll say 432. Let's see. Write something down right quick. Okay, so the average speed is 408. I had removed the last one, the 526, because I think it was moving too fast. I didn't count that one. So the top speed is 432. Okay, and that was this one again. Okay, the next one is the Porsche Boxster Spider, this one right here. Let's see how fast he can go. 431. And the next shot. 409. 428. So the fastest speed was 431. And we'll figure out the average here in a moment. Average is 423. Okay, the next one is this orange one, Porsche Carrera GT. Yep, nice orange one. Okay, we'll see how fast this one goes. Get my calculator ready. And 373. Ooh, 373. Yeah, I like when it gets that number because then you know it's going to be about the same speed. And 372. Yeah, so it was consistent the first two runs. And average is 372, or we could round it up to 373. I'll round it up to 373. And the top speed was 373. And that was this one. Yeah, that one. Okay. Last one is this one. It's the Porsche. Is it called 935, I think? Yeah, Porsche 935. And we'll send this one on through. Get my calculator ready. Okay. 371. Okay. 370. And the last one, 370. Okay, so the highest speed was 371. And let's see, we'll calculate the average. Equals, average is 370. Okay, so this one was the Porsche 935. I'll be back in a second to calculate which one was the fastest. Stick around. So we're back with the Porsche series cars, and I have the list of which ones came in first, which ones came in last. So the first place one, I put everything in a row on the track, is this one, which was the Porsche 914-6. And his average speed was 452, the top speed of 453. Second place winner is the Boxster Spider, this one right here, and his top speed was 431, but he averaged out to be 423. Okay, the third one, which is the 959, his top was 424 with an average of 409. And I calculated the average as their fastest speed. Okay, so we got the fourth one. This one I think was the one that kept going out of line. It was going too fast. It was the Porsche 917K. Yeah, 917. Its top speed was 432, but it did hit 500. But I didn't count that one because it fell right off the track. And its average was 408, and that's what I calculated. Okay, fifth place is this one, the Porsche 918 Spider. Top speed 427, but averaged out to be 401. Okay, and sixth place is the 993 GT2. Make sure that's what it is. Yeah, I think that's what it is. Its top speed is 419 with an average of 395. Okay, seventh place was the Porsche Carrera GT. Top speed was 373, and it did average at around 373, maybe a little less, but I rounded it up, I think. And the last car in the eighth place was the Porsche 935, this one, with the top speed of 371, and it did average out to be around that at 370. Okay, and that's the cars that I tested on this. The whole Porsche series released from Walmart. Again, I think it came out around June, or maybe earlier than that, in 2015. And that's it. And I might be doing further videos with this speed check thing, the speedometer, and I will probably be calling them speed checks. So might only do them with the cars I get on a weekly basis. I'm not sure if I want to do the older cars I have, unless there might be something, you know, that changed. But that's it. And you can like, share, comment, subscribe, and, you know, recommend stuff or whatever, what I should try. Only if I have it. But that's it. And have a nice day.